Hello everybody, my full name is Jéssica Revolti Silva, but my friends usually call me Jé. I'm 26 years old and my birthday is on February 1st. In the moment, I don't have a job, but since my 18 years, I work like a saleswoman. I did a technical course on industrial drawing when I was 19, but I never put in practice. In this month, I am finished the first semester of the English course. My family lives in Jaboticabal, a small city in the state of São Paulo. My father is a retired electrician. He is a helpful and humble man. As to my mother, she is very dedicated to family. She always takes care of everyone. I can say that she has a strong personality. I have just one big brother. His name is Fabio and he still lives with my parents. In their house, there are 3 dogs and 1 cat. You can imagine the mess that they do. I live with my husband Thiago and we are together for around 8 years. We got married in 2013 and since then we live a little empty place. Thiago is 30 years old now and he has a PhD in science by São Carlos. We have also 2 beautiful cats, Boris and Kira. At the moment, we are living on 7 de Setembro Street, number 1458, in the center district of São Carlos. My days recently are very calm. Normally I wake up at 9 a.m., have breakfast, feed my cats and take care of my house. As my husband works all day, it's me that prepare the lunch and dinner. During the weekends, in the nights, we like to go out to the gym. We do spinning classes and hit circuit. However, on the weekends, we like to go out with friends or stay home watching series. To be sincere, I don't have a lot of abilities, but I have some skills. I can ride a moto and drive a car so well, and I excel at selling things. I almost forget. When I was a teen, I had a band and we played rock music. We like playing bands from different types, like Evanescence, After Forever, and sometimes national rock. I didn't like doing calculations. I am not so good with technology. But I'm able to use the computer, mainly the basics. I also like history, especially histories about the World War II. And I enjoy studying languages. At the moment, I am learning English. In this year, my husband and I are going to travel to Germany. We will stay there only 3 months. After we come back to Brazil, we are going to travel to the United States. I am very excited and I hope we can be very successful. So this is a little about me. For more information you can contact me by email je.revolti@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye!